Welcome back. Hilarious trivia. Questions about airports and malls in the Philippines. Can you answer these hilarious questions about airports and malls in the Philippines? Think you know the Philippines? Test your knowledge with these hilarious airport and mall trivia questions. One. Question. What unique feature can you find at many airports in the Philippines? It's like they know how much you miss the Philippines. Just don't get too comfortable. They might expect you to help them with the luggage next. 2. Question. How many terminals does Manila's Ninoy Aquino International Airport have? It's like a game of hide and seek, but instead of seeking friends, you're just trying to find your flight. Good luck! You might end up in Terminal 3, wondering why your luggage is on a vacation in Terminal 1. 3. Question. What's a common sight at Philippine airports during peak travel season? Think of it as an unintentional group bonding experience. Everyone's in the same boat, which makes it the perfect opportunity to practice your stand-up comedy routine. Just remember, laughter won't get you through security any faster. 4. Question. What is a famous snack you can find in airport stores? These sweet treats are so popular that they should have their own fan club. Just be careful. If you eat too many, you might find yourself trying to convince the TSA that you're not hoarding snacks for a month-long survival trip. Five. Question. What unique aspect of Filipino culture can you expect at malls? Why pray for a parking spot when you can pray for a good sale? Just remember, if you hear the bells ringing, it's not a sale announcement, it's time for Mass. 6. Question. What is a well-known mall in Manila that is famous for its size? It's so big, you might need a map and a snack for your journey to find the nearest restroom. If you get lost, just look for someone who looks as confused as you, and you might just find your way back together. 7. Question. What kind of transportation is commonly used to get to malls? These colorful rides add a splash of adventure to your shopping trip. Just be prepared for a ride that feels like a carnival, minus the cotton candy, but plus the bargaining skills you'll need for the market. 8. Question. What kind of sales can you expect to find in malls? If there's one thing Filipinos love, it's a good sale. Just be ready to run when the announcements go off, as if you're competing in the Olympics of shopping. Gold medals are awarded for best deals. 9. Question. What local delicacy might you find in food courts at malls? This fast food chain is an institution. If you order spaghetti, you might question your life choices, but hey, it's a Filipino twist on the classic. Just remember, every meal comes with a side of happiness, and possibly a chicken mascot. Ten. Question. What is a common activity in malls beyond shopping? It's like a live sitcom where everyone has a role. There you go. Have fun in Philippines.
It has arrived.
Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for visiting our channel. Don't forget to visit our online merchandise shops. The link is in the channel description. Remember, learn something every day. Please check out our other videos. We will see you in the next one.